Hello everyone. In last class, we have discussed about some dynamic text, right? In today's class, we will discuss about how to display the form through the program. Okay, so till now we have executed the form through SAP transaction only, but in real time we should not do like that. So the form should call from the program level only. Okay, so we will discuss about that. So this is the form here, right? So I'm just displaying it here. One minute, guys. So this is the form, right? So I'm executing it here directly. So here I'm giving something 1, 2, 3, 4 something number. Click on execute LP01 and click on print preview. So these all things I'm giving to display the PDF form, right? Okay, so this is the form here. Fine. Now I want to call this one through program, right? So I will go to this is the T transaction and I will create one program, local program here. For smart form, how we were calling the smart form actually. We have to check the function module which is generated for the smart form, and we have to call that function module name in the program, right? In the same way here also, we can call that function module directly. Okay. So first of all, we need to find out the function module. So here, this is the function module. How can we get this one? Just click on back button. This is the form, right? And click on execute button. And here we can see the function module name. So this is the function module, right? Right. So here, so for smartphone, what the function module to call this one? So sorry, how to call this one directly? We will call this one, right? So pattern and paste it here. Okay, and IVVELN and exceptions I'm uncommenting here. So this is the way to call the smart form actually, right? But here we should not call it directly. So we have to call one more function module here. That is FP job open. Okay, FP job open. Here we have to provide, this is a mandatory field here. Changing parameter is a mandatory field. That is why it is showing in the black color. Right? Now I will take one something ls out. Okay, and I will uncomment these all things. Ls out. I have to declare this one, right? So I don't know what is the type here. So I will double click on this FP job open and changing parameters here. Associated type is there. Just copy this one and click on back button. Just declare that ls out structure ls out type. So I have copied this one, right? So this is the one. Now we have to pass this one here, ls out. And we have to, here we are opening the job here. So we have to close that one. So after calling the function module, we have to close this one. So I will use one more function module, fp job close here. So just click on enter. That's it. I'm not passing anything to this function module, just calling this one. Okay. So what I'm doing, so first of all, fp job open, then our function module, whichever is generating in our Adobe form, the fp job close. Now I will activate it. Click on execute. See here, it is asking the device output. I'm giving here LP01 and click on print preview. Okay, but I don't want to give these things also, LP01 and print preview also. I don't want to give here like this. Okay, it is generating fine. Now clicking on back button. Okay. What I have to give, I don't want to give the LP01 as a device name and I don't want to click on print preview. So we have to give this one to this ls out. Okay. So ls out hyphen the destination name is equal to LP01. Okay. ls out no dialog, no dialog equal to above proof. Okay. And ls out preview. I want to display the preview automatically. So preview is equal to above proof. Activate it, execute it. Okay, fine. It is displaying the form here. Right. Now, in real time, we should not call the function module directly like this, which is generating in the Adobe form. We should not call this one directly because in the development system, the function module is generating like this. But if it's go to quality, it may generate different function module. If it goes to prod, then it will generate one more function module. Function module name is not constant here, right? The constant name is the Adobe form name, right? So in the smart form also, we have to call the function module name, not directly. So first of all, we have to call the SSF underscore function module name. So in that one, we have to give the function, this one, smart form name. Okay. So that function module will give the function module name, which is generating for the smart. In the same way here also, we have to call one more function module. Okay. So after calling this fp job open, we have to call one more function module, that is fp underscore function module name. Okay, fp underscore function module name. So earlier we were calling SSF underscore function module name, but here fp underscore function module name. Okay, fine. Now, what is the name is generating for this? Sorry, what is the Adobe form name here? ZSJF test 123 ADF. Just copy it and I'm pasting it here. Okay, and importing, I will import the function module name which is generating here. Okay, LVFUNC function module name. Okay, now I want to get to know the type of this form. Okay, I don't know what is the type of this EFUNC name. So double click on this one. So that is in importing. So we have to go for export here. So EFUNC name is coming. Just copy this associated type. Click on back. LVFUNC type. Okay, fine. Now the function module name will come here. So we have to call this one here. So instead of calling the function module name directly, we have to call like this. Activate it. Keep breakpoint here. You can execute. So what is this LV efficiency? So this is the function module which is generating in our Adobe Form. So indirectly we are calling this function module only. So click on execute button. Okay, so this is the form. Fine. Now click on back. So this is the way to display the Adobe Form through the program level. Okay, you can use this method. Now I'm just going to this Adobe Form directly now. So click on layout. So whatever you are doing, so just compare with smart form, then you can understand easily. Okay, and if you have experience on smart form, I'm telling in that way. So now I have one more requirement like the sales document number is coming here, right? And if I execute this one directly, so it will ask the VBEL and something as input parameter here and click on execute button. Now click on LP01 print preview. Here the data is displaying here, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is coming. Now my requirement is, so if I give this 1, 2, 3, 4, then only it is coming here, right? If I don't give this one, then what will happen? Okay, it will come like empty, I think so. Click on remove this one and click on execute button. No, click on print preview. See, the sales document number is coming like empty. So either we can give it as input parameter or in real time, we are fetching something data. Okay, from table level we are fetching. At that time, the data is not available in the table. Okay, so the data, I mean, it will show you like empty only. Now the requirement is, if data is not available in this one, in this variable or in this structure, okay, I don't want to display this page. Okay, I don't want to display the sales document here. So for this one, so this option is not available in smart form. So this is available in Adobe Form only. So for this one, what we have to do? So we have to select this one. Okay, and we have actually here script editor is coming. So I will close and I will come here. Okay, so here just select this one and click on palettes here. Here script editor will come. Okay, so we have to write something code in smart form. How we will write some code in the same way here also we have to write some code, but this is not our ABAP code. Okay, it will be like JavaScript like that. And uh, most of the times we don't recommend this one. So if it is necessary, then only we have to go for this script editor, JavaScript coding. Okay, now just select this one and click on palettes here, script editor. Okay, script editor. Now here we are seeing this one more option here. Okay, I will unselect this one once again. palettes script editor. Okay. Otherwise, I will go for layout here. It will come in a big screen. Now, click on palettes, or first of all, we have to select this one. Okay. And click on palettes and click on script editor. Now we can see something, one option here. Okay. Here we have some events. Okay. So we have some events. Most of the times we will go for initialize and calculate. Hmm, I think so. Okay. So first of all, I'm going for initialize here. Then you can see here language is the JavaScript. Okay. And here form calc also available. JavaScript and form calc. Two types are there. Okay. So when we have to go for JavaScript and when we have to go for form calc. Okay. So if you want to uh, give some dynamic changes to the screen to the PDF, then we have to go for JavaScript. And if you are doing something calculations, okay, then we have to go for form calc. In my case, if the value is available in the sales document, then only I want to display it. Otherwise, I want to hide that one. So this is the dynamic option here, right? So in that case, I will choose the JavaScript. Okay, and if you want any calculation part here, then we can go for form calc also. And this is client here. If you scroll down here, client and server. So most of the times we will go for client only because we will work on the client 800. This is the dummy server, so it is coming like 800. So if you go for real time, then the specific client number will be there, 300, 320, something number will be there. So it will applicable on that client only. So I'm applying the client here. Okay. Now, if you come here, it is showing something data.bp1.ibbeln. It is coming like this, right? So what is the meaning of this? So how we have, I mean, we have selected this field, right? Sales document we have selected here, right? So here where it is available, okay, where it is available. If you see this hierarchy here in the left side, so first of all, it is starting with data, right? So first data is coming here, dot, next. The data, so it is available, the IVVBLN is available under BP1. Okay, this is a page 1, right? So here BP1 is coming. Okay, under that BP1, IVVBELN. Okay, dot IVVBELN. So this is the location where the field is locating. Okay, so I can go for multiple subforms here. Okay, multiple subforms. At that time, it will show the subforms names also. Okay, it will show the subforms names also. And if I click this sales order, then what will happen? Let us see. So it is not showing anything here because this is a hard coding here. Sales order is the hard coding, but this is not hard coding. This is the input parameter. Okay, input parameter. Or if it is the something value we are fetching from tables levels, okay, then also it will activate it here. But it will not, the script editor will not activate for hard coding. Okay, this is a normal text only, hard coding text. So it is not showing this script editor. Okay, if I select this sales document, then only it will show this one. Okay, fine. Now this dot raw value is equal to null. This dot presence is equal to This dot presence is equal to else part is not required, I think so, because if it is otherwise you can go for visible. What I'm writing here. Okay. So first of all, this I'm writing, right? This means so in the before line, what is the what we are selecting here? It is coming here, right? IVVBL we are selecting. So before that one, it is showing the path also, right? So this IVVBELN, this means the variable what we are selecting earlier. Okay. Otherwise, we have to write like the total thing data dot bp1 dot ivvbeln. In place of this, we have to write this all thing. So instead of this one, we can go for shortcut this. Okay. So this dot raw value. Raw value means whatever the value is available here in the we are selecting the sales document, right? So whatever the value is available here. Okay, this is the raw value. We will call it raw value here. So this dot raw value equal to null. Null means there is no value here. Okay, if there is no value, then this dot presents. Okay, this means this variable presents. I mean, we have to display or not. Okay, presence equal to hidden. I don't want to display this one. I want to hide this one. Okay, that's why I have written this hidden here. And else part, I have given like, okay, this dot presence equal to visible means if something value is available, then only I want to display it here. Otherwise, I want to hide it here. Okay, now here we have something, this check script syntax here. Just click on this button. Something red color is coming here, right? So means if there is something problem is there in the syntax wise. Okay, so we have to check that syntax actually. I will keep it here. Let me check it. One. Okay. I have given single quotation here. I will give it double quotation, not single quotation. Now check the syntax. Even now also something is problem is there. Mhm. Okay, I did not write this if here. Sorry. Okay, if this dot raw value equal to null is correct only. Let me check in this way. So we can get the syntaxes from Google. You can check it in the Google. You can get the lot of syntaxes actually. Okay, we have to copy and paste it here. Okay, fine. This is okay now. I have given some open brackets and close bracket for this if condition. Then it is not showing any error here. Okay, so this is the control F2 is the right in our ABAP syntax code. In the same way for a script editor, we have to click on this button, check script syntax. So it is showing something error means it is showing there is something syntax error is there. So I'm giving like this and click on this script again. There is no error now. Okay, now save it. Where is it? Logic is not available here. Okay, I think it is not saved. Okay, fine. I will write it once again. This is initializing path and JavaScript. If this dot raw value equal to null, and I'm giving here double equal to here means, so I'm checking it here, right? So if I'm giving it here if here, okay, so whenever you are compiling, okay, by using if condition here, then we have to give here double equal to, okay, single equal to will not work here. Okay. uh, this dot presence is equal to else. So automatically, so if I write this dot, then automatically it will show the list of the fields here. Okay. So we have to select the appropriate option here. So my option is presence, right? So this dot presence is equal to visible. Okay. Now check the syntax once again. There is no issue. Save it. Save option is not available. Find no issue. Click on activate. Click on execute button. So I will give something number here and click on execute. LP01. Click on print preview. Okay, number is coming here 56789, right? Now I don't give any number here, so then I will execute it here. Click on, where is it? Execute button. Click on print preview. Thing is wrong. It is showing here sales document as empty, but I don't want to display this one. The total field I don't want to display here. Okay, something mistake. What is the mistake here? Oh, yeah, that script is not coming here. Why? 1 minute, guys. Directly I'm executing. I'm not giving anything here. Execute. Provide LP01 and click on print preview. Now it is not displaying that one. It is hiding here because I'm not giving the input here. That is why it is hiding here. It is not displaying that one, right? So this is the way to hide this field. Actually, in our real time, we can get this type of options in rare cases. Okay, we have to follow this one. Okay, now I have one more requirement. Like I will add something customer number. Okay, I will click on back. So first of all, I need to uh, pick the customer number also, right? So I will add one more thing here. V underscore not type. Okay, and the code installation part directly I will write this is the IVVBELN is there. So based on this one, I will fetch the uh, customer number. Okay. Select single from VBAK into we could not here VBN is equal to this one, right? And this is the V underscore punar is the output. Something value is coming in this field, so this is the output parameter. So I will add this one, the output parameter V underscore punar. Let me check the syntax here. Sorry, yeah. Uh, no typing specified. There is it. Sorry. Save it and check it again. There is no issue. Activate it here. So I want to fetch the customer information. So slash for AC11 VAK click on display. I'm checking something data here. Correct the sales document number. So there is something dummy server. So I'm just limited data only is available here. So I will take something the sales document number one. Click on back. Mm. And this is the interface, right? This is the interface. In the interface, I have added one v underscore punar, the variable. So I will come to the Adobe Form now. Okay. Click on change button. Now just click on global data. Here v underscore punar is available. So I have to drag and drop this one to Adobe Form, right? So v underscore punar fine. It came here. Now go to the layout here. And I will script editor I don't want as of now, so I will deactivate it now. And now here I want to add the customer number also. So here, where is the customer number? We have to go for data view, but data view is not available here. So what we have to do? We have to go for palettes and data view will be there. So we have to set this data view. Now data view came here, and here we can see IBVBELN, sorry, V Kunar, right? So just drag and drop it here. Activate it. Okay, now I am executing this one. VBELN, I have copied the sales order number. Just give and click on execute button. So LP01 and click on print preview. So it will display the sales order number and Kunar number also, customer number also it will display actually. Okay, let me display that one. Here the sales order number is one and customer number is also one, right? So let me cross check it once again. The delivery number is equal to one. Click on execute button. Now here for this one, customer, where is the customer here? So the customer number also one only, right? So this is correct. Right. Now my requirement is if the value in the sales order number, if it is available, then only the customer field should display. Otherwise, it should not display. Okay. So currently I'm giving it is the input parameter, but in real time it's not like that, right? So some value will come in one parameter. Okay. So if the value is available in this parameter, then only the another field should display. Otherwise, it should not be displayed. Now, so the requirement is if something value it contains. Okay. Okay. So think in the real time way. So the value is filling in the runtime. Okay, not from the input parameter. It is filling from runtime. While executing the program, the value is fetching for this one. Okay. Now the customer, right? So for this one, we have to write some logic. Okay. So for this one, we have to go for palettes and script editor here and initializing part, the JavaScript here. Now, um, we have to write some logic like this: if condition if and XFA. Okay, XML form application, like we will call it here, XFA. So first of all, I will apply the logic, then I will come back to it. I will let you know what I'm writing here. So resolve node is okay and data dot BP1 dot mm, IVVBLN IV underscore VBLN. Um, okay. Equal to both are closing. Fine. This dot presence is equal to hidden. This dot presence is equal to visible. First, I will copy it. Otherwise, sometimes it is not saving actually. So first of all, copy. Right. Now, so what I'm writing here, first of all, if condition. Okay. So if condition here, the requirement is this VBELN. If the value is available in this one, then only I want to display the customer, right? So first of all, we have to check this one. If XFA dot XFA means the total layout. Okay. XML form application, we will call in that way. So XFA dot resolve node. Okay, so we are checking something node here, something path here. So the path is the VBELN, right? The VBELN where it is available exactly. Okay, so it is available under data dot BP1 dot IVBBELN. This is the field name. Okay, this is the hierarchy we have to maintain in the double quotation mark. But how can we find out this one here? Okay, how can we find out? So we can check here also data dot bp1 dot v underscore kunar is there, right? So both are available in the same um, subforms here, right? Same subforms. So for example, if it is available in another subform, then we have to write here another subform. Okay, so uh, I will take one more real-time example for this one, and I will let you know. Then you can understand this one, the subforms. Okay, different subforms I will take, then you can understand how can you write this one. Okay, so as of now, just check this one. I mean, I'm maintaining both fields in the same subform here. So data dot bb1, this is the common for both fields. Okay, so I'm selecting here ivvbeln. You can see here data dot bp dot ivvbeln. This is the field name, the path name, right? So you can copy it here. Okay, you can copy this one. Otherwise, you can expand. We have to expand these all things here. So here, the customer I'm selecting here. So it is available under this is the first node data. Okay, so under the data BP. So if we expand this BP, then we are selecting the VBELN, right? So we have to come in this way. Otherwise, just select it and just copy this one. This is the field, right? So this is the field path here. So just copy and paste it here. Just copy and paste it in the double quotation. Okay. And raw value. Raw value means this is, I mean, this field is containing something value. That is the raw value here. If it is null, okay, if it is null, then I'm selecting this one, right? So this dot, okay, this means I'm selecting this, the customer number. So it is indicating the customer number. The customer number presence is equal to hidden because the value is not available in the VBELN. Okay, otherwise I want to display this as visible. Let me check the syntax first of all. Okay, else. Okay, let me check it once again. There is no issue. So mostly, if we will write some ABAP code here. I mean, else dot I have given, right. So in our ABAP code, we will do in that way. But JavaScript is a bit different, so do not accept it here. Okay. So I am just telling how can we write the path here. Okay, how can we take the path and the calculations, these all things you can get from the Google. But at least if you know these basics, then you can understand whatever the actual calculations are there. Okay. It's taking some time for activating. Now just select this one. Okay, it is available. So click on execute button. Okay, I am not giving anything here. I am not giving any IVVBELN. Let me execute it here. Okay, so it is showing only sales order number, but the VBELN and the Kunar number, the sales order number and customer number is not displaying here. Right now, I will what I will do. I will give here something invalid sales order number. Okay, let me execute it now. Print preview. See here, this is misorder. We can. I mean, the customer number is coming to the bit up. We can align this one later. But here 8765 something I am giving here sales order number. But this is the invalid number. That is okay, fine. Okay, invalid number. That is okay, fine. But the customer number is not fetching because this is invalid sales order number. The requirement is if something value is there in this IVVBELN, then only it should display. Okay. Okay. This is valid or invalid. We are not checking this one. Okay. So if it is available, then only it will uh, display it here. Okay, otherwise, it will not display. Right. So this is our case. Okay. So I will take one more example in a real time. Whenever I will come to one real time scenario, at that time I will take one more scenario. Then you can understand what it is, how it is, how can we write this on these all things. Okay. Fine. Fine. We will discuss a few more concepts in the next class. Okay. Then bye. Jai Hind.